All right, here we go. Tuesday morning, about 6 a.m. here in Chicago, getting this day kicked off. Flat markets heading into the open right now. Pretty quiet in the equities after 4 days of stocks just getting bruised and battered. Today, we have Secretary Mnuchin and Fed Chairman Powell speaking before Congress about stimulus efforts to ward off the negative impact of this pandemic. So that will be taking place today. Could have some potential headline risks there. You look at some of these markets ahead of that. Right now, over in FX land, we've got strength in the dollar coming off 4 days of stocks getting beaten up, as we mentioned earlier. So we've seen strength in the dollar, strength that we haven't seen in quite a while. You look over in metals, seeing some weakness in gold, seeing strength in oil this morning. Got down below $40 a barrel in WTI yesterday. We're just shy of 2% higher this morning, right at $40 a barrel, heading into the open today. So seeing some of these volatile moves that we haven't seen for a couple months. And that volatility is going to continue to creep back in as we get closer to the election. We're entering that time of year. Things get busy now. Markets start to move. And this year, more so than ever, with a U.S. presidential election to throw into the mix coming up on November 3rd. So you've got that. We still have a global pandemic, as well as continuing tensions with China. So there's a lot of catalysts out there that could shake these markets. And we're seeing this week that VIX creeping its way back up towards 30 once again. So it's going to be another fun one. Let's go out there. Let's get after it. Everybody stay safe, stay healthy. I'll check in with you again tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.